Olive oil conditioner for dry hair from Nubian Heritage, the latest in our hair products, tames dry hair and frizzy locks with deep hydration. Restore your crowning glory to its full, vibrant health with this silky, cruelty-free conditioner hair treatment. A great addition to any haircare regimen is one of our best shampoo and conditioner. Bad hair days usually come from bad haircare. Nubian Heritage brings you olive oil hair products that fit your lifestyle and care for your locks with ingredients that are never tested on animals. In our conditioner, our fair Trade Shea butter for serious hydration, infuses in quinoa, to strengthen and detangle, indulgent Moringa Oil, to soothe and a fresh scent. Usage. After a good shampoo, work conditioner through clean, wet hair from roots to ends. Massage into scalp. Rinse thoroughly. Avoid contact with eyes. Follow up with a deep conditioner. Infuse moisture. This vegan conditioner tames dry hair and frizzy locks with deep hydration. Ancient remedies, modern wellness solutions. Nubian Heritage offers culturally authentic products infused with naturally derived ingredients inspired by global ancient philosophies. Cruelty-free, heritage ingredients. We make our products using globally sourced ingredients and never test on animals. Humble beginnings. Nubian Heritage is the brainchild of two New York street vendors. In 1992, fresh out of college and without jobs, Rich and Naima embarked on a mission to produce luxurious products from traditional African recipes. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely love this. This leave-in conditioner is one of the best I have found. I have thin medium-length curly hair, a bottle lasts me over a year.